Hisense 75H 8G 75-inch Quantum Series 4K ULED TV. For shoppers with large home theater spaces, the Hisense 75H 8G Quantum Series is an excellent choice. This TV measures 75 inches diagonally, making it big enough to serve just about any media room or home theater. It's built on the Android TV operating system and has built-in Wi-Fi to let you download streaming apps right to the TV. The voice-enabled remote has Google Assistant built in and is also compatible with Amazon Alexa. The 4K UHD panel uses Hisense ULED technology and Hi-View chipset to upscale non-UHD content. It has HDR and HDR10 support for great detailing and color volume. With 90 local timing zones, you will get deep, inky blacks for enhanced contrast. The dual 15-watt speakers use Dolby Atmos technology to produce room-filling virtual surround sound for more immersive listening experience. With built-in Chromecast support, you can use your smartphone or tablet to stream videos directly to your TV. The TV features Bluetooth connectivity, making it easy to set up wireless sound bars and other external audio for the ultimate home theater configuration. This has all the versatile features you look for in a TV. So don't wait up and get yourself this TV for a cinematic experience in home. For more details and buying guide, please visit the link in the description given below.